where your health and well-being are our top priorities. Our state-of-the-art facility is designed with you in mind, providing a comfortable and healing environment. From the moment you walk through our doors, our compassionate staff is here to ensure you receive the best possible care.
Hi, I'm Annabelle Roberts. I've come here from Mumbai. In May, my friend Vanessa Marquez from Alcove Resorts came here. She came full of pain and with a lot of stress and left completely pain-free and having such a good time. Told me about this. I retired on the 31st of July, and so I took advantage and landed here on the 6th. My body all stiff, emotionally feeling confused and low because I was starting my retirement journey. And then I landed at Thonse, the most beautiful spot in Udupi. Not only is it beautiful, but after meeting the Dr. Shuddha, meeting all the people here from Mr. Shetty to Yuvika to all the ladies who do the massage, the place is clean and comfortable. The food is delicious. So even if you're on a weight loss program, you will not feel like you are being starved. Within 4 to 5 days, I started feeling my body loose now. I am now feeling absolutely fit and strong and ready to kickstart my health in a positive direction. If you have the time, make this a priority. Come to Thonse. The view itself will sell you. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you.
Our outreach programs and health initiatives are designed to promote wellness beyond our hospital walls.